Hello everyone, welcome to the online class of Ananda Multimedia School and College. I think you are well. I am simply well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am here with an important passage for the student of class 8. The title of our today's passage is River Gypsies are an ethnic group. Lesson identity. Class 8, Unit 7, Lesson 3B. River Gypsies in Bangladesh 1. That means passage number 1. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to describe the pictures, understand the contextual meaning of the words, know the main problems that river gypsies are facing, know why many river gypsies are changing their lifestyle. Let's see some pictures. What do you see in the picture? Dear students, we can find some tents in this picture. Dear learners, we can find more tents in this picture. Dear students, here in this picture, we can find a woman, that means a gypsy woman is picking up flies and hair doing. Dear learners, in this picture, we can find a gypsy man entertains people with snake charming. Dear students, we can find a passage and you will read this passage silently. After that, we will discuss MCQ, vocabularies, short questions and fill in the blanks. Okay students, let's start our more task. New vocabularies. Gypsy. What does gypsy mean? Gypsy mean traveling people. Nomadic means roaming people. Dear students, this vocabulary will help you very much in your future life and then understand the whole passage. Roam means wander. Toddler means children. Monsoon means rainy season. Remain means stay. Hail means cure. Special means what? Particular. Evil spirit means witch. Believe means trust. Lifestyle. Dear students, do you know what lifestyle means? Lifestyle means the way of life. Evaluation. Dear students, in this section, we will learn or we will identify the best answer from the alternatives. The word no means regarded or taken or outlandish or left. What does it mean? Regarded. The word own means contain or remain or have or carry. What do you think? Let's check the answer. Have. Own means have. The word lead means lead or live or operate or change. How do you think? Lead. Live means lead. River gypsies live in a dash life. Poor life. Different life. Cultured life. Nomadic life. They live and travel dash in vehicles, or in boats, or in trawlers, or in autos? Let's check the answer. In boats. They are part of dash culture, or water bodies, or community, or life. How do you mean? Water bodies. That means they are part of water bodies. The word heal means heal, or cure, or curb, or prevent. Cure. Heal means cure. The word raw means line, ray, or shine, or rope. How do you think? Let's check the answer. Line. The word raw means line. Monsoon refers to dash. Summer. Monsoon means summer, or winter, or autumn, or rainy season. How do you think? Let's check the answer. Monsoon refers to the rainy season. Bangles are related to dash man, or woman, or boys, or girls. Woman. Bangles are related to woman. The word tent means cottage, or house, or camp, or room. How do you think? Let's check the answer. Camp. The word tent means camp. Look at the pictures. Discuss with your partner. Say who they are, where they are, and what they are doing. Another picture. Dear students, in this section we will answer the following questions. That means we will answer short questions. Who are river gypsies? River gypsies are an ethnic group in Bangladesh. Next question. Where do they live? They live on boat for 8 months of the year, but for 4 months they live in tents along the banks of rivers. Next question. Where do they roam? They roam across the rivers and water bodies from May to December. How long do they stay on boats? They stay for 8 months on boats. What do river gypsy men do for a living? River gypsy men catch fish and snake and entertain people with snakes for a living. What do river gypsy women do for a living? River gypsy women go from door to door and sell bangles, cosmetics, and other things. Where do they return in winter? They return to the mainland in winter. What do the village people believe in the river gypsy? The village people believe in the magical power of the gypsies. How can they drive away the evil spirit? They can drive away the evil spirit from someone's body by magic or special powers. Dear learners, in this section we will fill the gaps with appropriate word. Dear students, you can try yourself. After that, I will solve the problem. That means I will give the answer. Most of these ethnic people living in Bangladesh have some common characteristics. They have their dash lifestyles. They build their houses on bamboo or wooden platforms. Dash machang. Rice is their dash food. They eat vegetables, maize and fish, poultry and meat. Their kitchen utensils are bamboo, wooden and earthen pots, which they dash themselves. Men wear lungis and women wear themis or sarongs. Women dash their own clothes. Okay students, let's check the answer. Most of these ethnic people living in Bangladesh have some common characteristics. They have their own lifestyle. They build their houses on bamboo or wooden platforms called machang. Rice is their staple food. They eat vegetables, maize and fish, poultry and meat. Their kitchen utensils are bamboo, wooden and earthen pots, which they make themselves. Men wear lungis and women wear themis or sarongs. Women weave their own clothes. That's all for today. Dear students, if you learn something from my today's lesson, my level and expectations will be fulfilled. Pray for me. Thank you very much for being with me. Assalamu alaikum.